Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about principle of cost estimating and cost management. So yes, we'll see what is principle. What are the principles of cost estimation as well as cost management? Fine. So in the principle of cost estimation, there is five things, five principles. One is first one is integrity. Second one is information and accuracy and relevance. Third one is uncertainty and risk. Fourth one is expertise for forecasting, and last one is validation of demand and cost. So yes, before we want to realize what is happening in the real time. Fine. If I am running a manufacturing unit, how I can estimate my cost. So before that, what I will be doing is, so everyone knows, every organization who is purchasing certain products will have a kind of flow. What they will be doing is, if they want certain things, they will write a letter to their management by requesting these are the things required for running our administrative works, or these are the things very necessary for running our organization. Likewise, they will be writing letter and they will be submitting to their concerned organization. After getting the approval, they will go for purchase. When they go for purchase, what they will be doing is, they will be getting estimated amount is how much it will be costing. So nearly they will be getting from 3 to 4 vendors, from getting 2 to 3 vendors, which vendor is giving the best quality as well as best price, they will be identifying. After that, they will be go for purchasing that. They will go for ordering that purchase. They will be going for purchase order, as well as they will be purchasing that particular product. Finally, they will be getting that particular bill or invoice of that particular material or a particular thing. So this is applicable for everything, even for a manufacturing, as well as not only in administration work. It's applicable for a manufacturing unit, as well as for the production unit also. So if they want to get certain material, what they want to do is, they want to have, usually they want to have 2 or 3 suppliers or vendors to get that raw material, as well as they want to compare with other vendors and other suppliers who is giving best quality as well as best price for us, and they want to get the best out of it. So this is what all about. So this is a kind of cost estimating principle. From this only, we are going to pick few things for the principle of cost estimation. First one is integrity. Integrity is nothing but open and transparent process. If you take share market as the most transparent one, how much expense they are doing, how much income they are getting, how much they are selling, everything, it's a more transparent and open process. Likewise, what they want to have is, in an organization should be more transparent in their process, and it should be an open one. So if the warehouse is not having the raw material, then it should be known by the certain departments to get to purchase the rest, purchase the raw material and so on. So whatever thing is involved, it should be open and transparent to that particular organization, or at least the person who is involved into it. Next is information accuracy, because information accuracy and relevance is more important, because without going to that particular vendor or a kind of supplier, we can't tell it we have purchased this much quantity and this much price, so we can get it out of it. Likewise, you can't tell, because inflation rate keep on increasing, so every product prices is keep on increasing. The accurate information accuracy and relevance makes the particular purchase whether we want to do it or not. So accurate information about that particular product, quality wise as well as quantity wise and price wise is more important. Next is uncertainty and risk. Whether that particular product is a risky product or not. If you take ice cream, flour, and refrigerated products, juices, and so on, certain products are high risk, uncertain, and so on. Cotton, okay, so there may be risk may be involved. So a kind of insurance or risk transfer measurement or risk that has to be give more importance to it. So a kind of uncertainty and risk factor of purchasing that raw material also should be taken into the consideration. So that based on that particular risk factor, we can hold the raw material. Next is expert team forecasting, because every month or every quarter we won't have same sales. Sometimes sales may be high, sometimes sales may be low based on the conditions and different political external factors, and it may vary. So we have to aware about, we should have the expert team. The expert team has to forecast the demand as accurate as it. Next is validation of demand and cost. How much demand I want to identify, and based on that, I have to purchase my raw material, and costing has to be minimized. So these are the principle of cost estimation. If you take cost management, there is four things. It may be project cost management or an kind of industry cost management, whatever. So there is four things: resource planning, cost estimating, cost budgeting, and cost control. So in cost management, there is four steps: resource planning, cost estimating, cost budgeting, and cost control. In resource planning is determining resources. Resources means there will be n number of resources like manpower, machineries, tools and equipments, raw material, manpower, equipments, tools, and so on. To convert that particular material, input material into output material, they need certain resources like raw materials, manpower, machinery, tools, and equipments, and certain resources planning should be done. Right. Next is cost estimation. Cost estimation is development approximation of overall cost of the resource needed for the completion of thing. So cost estimation, as I told, what is the basic and how much it needs, based on that cost estimation, rough cost estimation is more important. Cost budgeting is allocation of overall cost for that particular thing. So they will be fixing certain benchmark for that particular thing. So that particular benchmark should not exist. So cost budgeting is we have to budget everything. Cost control is controlling the particular cost. If it is exists based on the things, we have to purchase and we have to execute these things. This is what all about cost management. Thank you.